The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is a magnificent ancient Roman landmark located in the heart of Rome, Italy. Here are some key facts about the Colosseum. Construction. The construction of the Colosseum began in AD 72 under the Emperor Vespasian and was completed in AD 80 under his successor and heir, Titus. It was primarily used for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Architecture. The Colosseum is a massive amphitheater made of concrete and sand, capable of holding between 50,000 to 80,000 spectators in its heyday. It is an architectural marvel and an impressive example of Roman engineering and construction techniques. Purpose. The Colosseum was built to host various public spectacles, including gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, mock sea battles, and other theatrical performances. These events were organized to entertain the Roman populace and to showcase the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire. Dimensions. The Colosseum stands approximately 50 meters, 164 feet, high, with a base area of about 6 acres, 24,000 square meters. Its elliptical shape measures about 188 meters, 617 feet, by 156 meters, 512 feet. Seating arrangement. The seating within the Colosseum was meticulously organized to segregate the different social classes of Roman society. The best seats were reserved for the emperor and other high-ranking officials, while common citizens were seated higher up. Decline and restoration. Over the centuries, the Colosseum suffered damage due to earthquakes and human activities. However, significant restoration efforts have been undertaken to preserve this iconic monument. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Colosseum was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980, recognizing its cultural and historical significance. Symbol of Rome. The Colosseum is an enduring symbol of ancient Rome and an iconic representation of the city's rich history and architectural achievements. Visiting the Colosseum. Today, the Colosseum is a major tourist attraction in Rome, drawing millions of visitors every year who come to explore its fascinating history and marvel at its impressive ruins. The Colosseum stands as a testament to the grandeur and cultural legacy of ancient Rome, and it remains a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and travelers alike, offering a glimpse into the spectacles and events that captivated ancient Roman audiences.